Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to screen mirror Redmi mobile phone to Google TV streamer 4K device. First we need to connect both the mobile phone and Google TV streamer to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Let me go to this mobile phone and open the settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to Wi-Fi. See, this mobile phone is connected to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, Google TV streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. After that, in mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connection and sharing. Go down. Tap on wireless display. Turn on wireless display. See, this phone has detected Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see Google TV streamer. Tap on this name. Tap on start now. See, it's working. Okay, so this way we can do screen mirroring. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then just to rotate the screen, that way you can switch display to full screen in TV. So next I will show you how we can stop this. Again, go to the settings. Then go to connection and sharing. Wireless display. Here you can see connected device. Tap here. Then tap on disconnect. So that way we can disconnect. This is a method 1. Method 2. Install Google Home app from Google Play Store. I already installed Google Home app. Let me open. Then log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. Google Home app will search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see Google TV streamer. Tap on this name. Tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, it's working. So this is a method 2. If you want to stop, again go to Google Home app. Tap on stop mirroring. These are two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.